You'll notice in your packet of materials, you should have a card. It's called a wiggle card. It looks like this. You have a wiggle card and a wiggle template. So here's the wiggle card right here. And then here's the template. And so what we do is we put the card on cardstock. And so we just make copies of this and cut it. So there's your template if you want to do this immediately with your class. I would like for you to take your pens or pencils or whatever colors you might have, and I would like for you to, using the writing utensils of your choice and color, I want you to draw a picture that includes the following images: ground and sky, sun or moon, 6 flowers, and a bird. And now, if you're in my classroom, if you're a student in my classroom, I would have you pass those up to the front. And so pass those to, if you're with somebody, if you're in a group, pass that to one person, and let that person be the leader of, and I'll show you in just a little bit what we're going to do with those. So gather them up and put them together and then put them aside. So if I were going to start the Jane Schaffer Writing Program Monday, I probably would do this the second day, and I'll tell you why in just a little bit. Writing is like dancing on paper. And just like dancing, when you watch someone dance or when you dance yourself, everyone has a unique style. Here in Texas, we do line dancing, and everybody's supposed to do, you're supposed to look exactly alike. But that's not what happens. It's because everybody has different reason for doing what they do. So you move your head differently or your hips differently, depending on who you're trying to impress, right? Or your facial expression is different. And so the wiggle is the way it is with commentary, that we might have the same evidence, that we might have the same concrete detail, but the way we approach it depends on our own experiences and our perspective. So when you first started today, I had you draw your picture. And when you were drawing your picture, everybody had the same information, and that was ground and sky, sun or moon, 6 flowers, and a bird, right? But if you look at everyone's drawing, if you look at everyone's drawing, then even though we all had the same information, look at these pictures and look at your own pictures. And this person just did black and white. See? I mean, look at the different wiggles. Look at the different perspectives. So when I love to do this activity with the students, because students have a very difficult time of understanding commentary. But when you do this activity with them, you'll show them that everybody had the exact same evidence, but the way we saw it was different. The way we expressed ourselves was different. And that's what is so important about commentary, that when we're looking at the same evidence, we all approach it differently.